My name's Claire Flynn and I'm a Conservation Officer at Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Authority, and I'm actually the Project Officer delivering the Connecting the Coast project. Connecting the Coast provides grants and advice and support to work with farmers and other landowners to help them to extend what they're doing really to support nature recovery in the National Park. It's a really ambitious land management project which is funded by Welsh Government through their Sustainable Landscape Sustainable Places Fund, or SLSP for short. So the SLSP funding in the form of grants to landowners has been absolutely critical to achieve nature recovery at this landscape scale. We're often encouraging farmers to make changes that actually have the potential to really reduce their productivity. So the grants are essential really, and I feel really good value for money. The changes we've seen for the costs involved have been quite spectacular in improving habitats along the coast. We've got our wonderful coastline and our coast path which stretches all around the Pembrokeshire coast, but this project really is looking at land that adjoins that coast path, so fields and land that are part of our agricultural systems. We've got everything from helping farmers restore hay meadows to creating species-rich pastures through conservation grazing. We've got hedge planting, pond creation, all sorts of measures, and every single site is different and unique. And our grants really take two forms. We pay farmers for infrastructure such as fencing and hedging and ponds, really tangible outcomes that enable this nature recovery. Fencing in particular is critical for conservation grazing and for creating more diverse habitats, but also the grants that they have to change their management. While not immediately so tangible, the outcomes, the wildflower meadows and the coastal slopes really do come into their own over time and are very, very visible outcomes for that investment. I think my two biggest highlights. Firstly, just the scale of nature recovery that we've achieved already in 2 years. I think it's been amazing value for money, and we've seen some amazing outcomes in terms of biodiversity, which will just carry on now over the next 4 to 5 years. And the other highlight has been working with our Pembrokeshire landowners and farmers. It's been absolutely wonderful. We've been met with such welcoming responses, such willingness to engage with us. I think what we've achieved with them has been really remarkable.